And by using the proper channeling, your child can maximize the learning.
1, 2, 3, and don't you stop the music, get into it, won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it, you can do it, won't you?
Hello guys! Welcome to ZM2J's channel. This is Jocelyn P. Mangibin, a board-certified behavior analyst and an international behavior analyst. If you're new to this channel, we are tackling about applied behavior analysis. It is actually a science that we are manipulating the environment to see what are the variables that directly affect your child's behavior. It is also a way on us to find out what are the functional relations between the environment and the behavior. Now, what is our topic for today? Well, I would like to clarify some pointers, some misconceptions about ABA. And why do we need to clarify those misconceptions? It is very important for me as a behavior analyst to educate you as well. What are these things that you need to understand about ABA? And those ideas came from the questions that I've been receiving or I've been reading from my videos or from the live sessions that I'm having. Are you ready? Let's discuss it. The number one misconception is that ABA is only for little kids. No, it's not only for little kids. As we discussed before, ABA stands for Applied Behavior Analysis. Okay? So it pertains to the study of the behavior. It is a science of behavior, which means we are connected to any living organisms that do behaviors. Okay? So even whatever species it is it a human? Is it an animal? Whatever it is, it's applicable. So which means it doesn't have to be a small kid. In addition to that, we just need to have a proper tool of assessment. So we have different kinds of assessment tools that we can use for the little kids, for the teenagers, and also for adults. So I hope it clarifies, okay, that ABA is not just for kids, it's for everyone. And it's for any species that do behavior. And what is behavior? Anything that a living organism does. Okay? Now let's go to the second misconception. The second misconception is that they said that ABA is only focused on negative behaviors like tantrums, screaming, and not really with the skills. Now, when I said that we need assessment tools, this is where we need it. We need to check also the skills of your child, not just the behavior. Again, it's a misconception because the ABA focuses on whatever deficit your child may have. Okay, so that's why we need the assessment tools. All right, so we use assessment tools so we can see what are the skills deficit and what are the strengths of your child. Now, during the assessment procedures, there might be some negative behaviors, okay? So it also involves in our scoring. It also goes to the scoring of your child's behavior, your child's data. Everything goes in the data. All right, so the skills we are taking data, and also the behaviors we are taking data. And by the way, the skills of writing is also a behavior because it's what your child is doing, right? So remember, a behavior is anything that a living organism is doing. So again, I hope it clarifies that ABA is not just focusing on the negative behaviors, but we are focusing both on skills deficits and the negative behaviors. And actually, we are using different kinds of ABA techniques so that we can reach the goals of your child's skills and your child's negative behavior to replace it with the positive behaviors. Okay, so it's a really full package. And the last misconception that I would like to clarify is that ABA can be done by any professionals that wants to do ABA without any certifications or without proper training on ABA. So this I don't want to be subjective on this, okay? Because I know anyone, if you are focused on what you're doing, you can do it. However, in ABA, we have a proper training, proper hierarchy of supervision so that the possible outcome of your child will be maximized. We need to consider all the ethical impacts on your child's treatment or child's therapy procedures. That's why it's very, very important that if you're going to an ABA therapy center, check if they have at least associate behavior analyst or behavior analyst, okay? Because we need to supervise all the technicians or all the behavior therapists accordingly, not because of the positions or not because of the names, okay? Well, probably it could be a count, but the focus is for your child's safety and for your child's growth. So again, just check the center if they have the behavior analyst or associate behavior analyst or any qualified behavior analysts, okay? Because we want your child to grow and we want your child to learn, okay? And by using the proper channeling, your child can maximize the learning. So that's it, guys. I hope you learned something, okay? So if you learned something, please subscribe and like this video and share this video to your friends. And of course, comment down below whatever topics about ABA you want to talk about in the future. So thank you so much. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye. God bless you all.